front doors.
The front door panel is attached to the door with 3 screws. 2 screws are located under the grab handle cover. Remove the grab handle cover. Please be careful here because the cover is pushed in at the back. Lever the cover outwards with a suitable tool. Remove the 2 marked screws, Torx 20. The 3rd screw is under the cover on the inside door handle. Lever the cover outwards at the edges. Remove the screw underneath. Remove/unplug power window switch. Push up the power window switch on the front and remove it. Press the lock and then unplug the switch. Now the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Starting from the bottom, pull the cover away from the door with a sharp jerk. When all clips are released, slide the panel up and out of the window slot strip. Detaching the inside door handle. Pull the white part of the Bowden cable up a bit. And then pull backwards out of the guide. Clips left in the door can be reused.
Rear doors.
The rear door panel is also attached with 3 screws. 1 screw again under the cover of the inside door handle. Pry the cover out. Remove the screw underneath. 2 screws are under the cover by the grab handle. Pull the inner part of the cover up first. This isn't easy to do. Once the inner part is off, you can pull the front cover outwards. There are 2 screws underneath, remove them. Remove window crank with mechanical window lifter. The crank is attached to the window regulator with an omega clip. Press the panel back a bit to create a gap. Then pull the clip up with a suitable tool. With electric windows, simply remove the switch as with the front door. After the screws are out, the rest is like the front door. Starting from the bottom, pull the cover away from the door with a sharp jerk. When all clips are released, slide the panel up and out of the window slot strip. Disconnect the inside door handle, as with the front door. And that's it. Good luck with doing it yourself.